Deep in the heart of the Arabian desert, a new city is rising. A city unlike any other, where flying cars zip between shimmering skyscrapers and robots cater to every human need. This is NEOM, Saudi Arabia's ambitious vision for the future of urban living, a metropolis designed to showcase the transformative power of artificial intelligence. NEOM is not just another smart city. It's a bold experiment in AI-driven urbanism, a glimpse into a world where algorithms orchestrate every aspect of city life. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, energy consumption is optimized in real time, and citizens enjoy personalized services tailored to their every whim. This is the promise of NEOM, a city where the lines between the digital and physical realms blur, and where technology is harnessed to create a utopia in the desert. But this futuristic vision also raises profound questions about the future of humanity in an age of intelligent machines. As we delve deeper into the heart of NEOM, we'll explore how this audacious experiment is pushing the boundaries of urban innovation and reshaping our understanding of what it means to live in a city. At the heart of NEOM's operation lies a powerful artificial intelligence, a silent conductor orchestrating the city's every function. This AI acts as the invisible hand, managing infrastructure, optimizing resource allocation, and ensuring the smooth functioning of this urban marvel. Imagine a city where traffic lights adapt in real time to traffic flow, eliminating congestion and reducing travel times. In NEOM, this is a reality thanks to AI-powered traffic management systems that analyze data from sensors and cameras to optimize traffic flow. But the AI's reach extends far beyond traffic management. It monitors the city's power grid, balancing energy supply and demand to ensure a constant and sustainable flow of electricity. It manages water resources, optimizing usage and minimizing waste. It even predicts and responds to potential infrastructure failures before they occur. This intricate web of interconnected systems, all overseen by a central AI, allows NEOM to function with remarkable efficiency. It's a glimpse into a future where cities are no longer passive collections of buildings, but intelligent organisms in their own right. NEOM is not just about technological prowess, it's also a beacon of sustainability, showcasing how AI can be harnessed to create a greener future. At the heart of this vision lies a commitment to renewable energy, with the city aiming to be powered entirely by solar, wind, and other clean energy sources. But NEOM's sustainability ambitions go beyond simply adopting renewable energy. The city leverages AI to optimize energy consumption, reducing waste and minimizing its carbon footprint. Smart grids powered by AI algorithms monitor energy usage patterns, adjusting supply and demand in real time to ensure maximum efficiency. Buildings are designed with energy efficiency in mind, incorporating smart materials and passive heating and cooling systems. AI-powered systems control lighting, temperature, and other building functions, optimizing energy use based on occupancy and environmental conditions. This holistic approach to sustainability, powered by AI, positions NEOM as a model for future cities seeking to reduce their environmental impact. It demonstrates how technology can be a powerful tool in the fight against climate change, paving the way for a more sustainable future. Imagine a city without traffic lights, where cars glide effortlessly through the streets, their movements orchestrated by an invisible hand. This is the promise of autonomous vehicles, a technology poised to revolutionize transportation and reshape our cities. And in NEOM, this vision is rapidly becoming a reality. NEOM streets are designed from the ground up for autonomous vehicles, with dedicated lanes and advanced infrastructure to support self-driving cars, buses, and even flying taxis. These vehicles, guided by sophisticated AI algorithms and sensors, navigate the city with remarkable precision, eliminating the need for human drivers. The benefits of this autonomous transportation system are numerous. Traffic congestion, a scourge of modern cities, becomes a thing of the past. Accidents caused by human error are virtually eliminated, and the time saved by commuters can be put to more productive use. But the rise of autonomous vehicles also raises questions about the future of work. As self-driving cars and trucks become commonplace, what will happen to the millions of people employed as drivers? Section 5. A City of Robots. How AI is automating jobs in NEOM. In NEOM, the robots aren't just coming, they're already here. From construction sites to hospitals, AI-powered machines are taking on a growing number of tasks, automating jobs and transforming the city's workforce. In NEOM's state-of-the-art hospitals, robotic surgeons perform complex procedures with precision and speed. while AI-powered diagnostic tools assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. In restaurants, robot chefs prepare meals, while drone delivery services bring food directly to residents' doorsteps. Even in the realm of construction, robots are playing an increasingly prominent role. Autonomous excavators and cranes work tirelessly alongside human counterparts, accelerating construction projects and reducing the need for manual labor. This automation of jobs is not without its challenges. As robots become more sophisticated, they threaten to displace human workers in a wide range of industries, raising concerns about unemployment and economic inequality. Section 6. The all-seeing eye surveillance and data collection in NEOM. To manage a city as complex and interconnected as NEOM requires an unprecedented level of data collection and analysis. And indeed, NEOM is designed to be a smart city in the truest sense of the word, with sensors embedded throughout the urban fabric, collecting data on everything from traffic patterns to energy consumption. Cameras mounted on street corners and buildings provide a constant stream of visual data, while sensors embedded in roads and sidewalks track the movement of people and vehicles. This data is fed into powerful AI algorithms that use it to optimize traffic flow, manage energy consumption, and even predict and prevent crime. Proponents of this system argue that it is essential for ensuring the safety and efficiency of the city. They point out that the data collected is anonymized and used solely for the purpose of improving city services. However, critics raise concerns about the potential for abuse. They argue that this level of surveillance erodes privacy and gives the government unprecedented power to track and monitor its citizens. Section 7. A new economic paradigm: AI and the transformation of work. The rise of AI and automation is not just transforming the way we live, it's also reshaping the very nature of work. As machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, traditional job markets are being disrupted, creating both challenges and opportunities. In NEOM, this shift towards an AI-driven economy is already underway. The city is positioning itself as a hub for innovation in artificial intelligence, robotics, and other cutting-edge technologies, attracting businesses and entrepreneurs from around the world. This influx of investment is creating new jobs in fields such as software development, data analysis, and AI engineering. However, these jobs often require specialized skills and training, leaving many workers ill-equipped to compete in this new economy. To address this challenge, NEOM is investing heavily in education and training programs designed to equip its citizens with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven workforce. The city is also exploring new economic models such as universal basic income to address the potential for widespread job displacement. Section 8. Building the cities of tomorrow. AI's impact on urban planning. The rise of AI is not just changing the way we live and work, it's also transforming the very fabric of our cities. From the way buildings are designed to the way transportation systems are managed, AI is poised to revolutionize urban planning, creating cities that are more efficient, sustainable, and livable. In NEOM, this vision of the AI-powered city is already taking shape. The city's planners are using sophisticated AI algorithms to optimize everything from building design to traffic flow, creating a city that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. AI is being used to design buildings that are energy efficient, resilient to natural disasters, and responsive to the needs of their occupants. Smart materials and sensors embedded in buildings adjust lighting, temperature, and other environmental factors in real time, creating a comfortable and healthy living environment. AI is also being used to create transportation systems that are seamless, efficient, and sustainable. Autonomous vehicles, guided by AI algorithms, navigate the city's streets with precision, while smart traffic management systems optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. Section 9. Utopia or Dystopia? The ethical dilemmas of AI cities. As we stand on the cusp of this brave new world of AI-powered cities, it's important to consider not just the potential benefits but also the ethical dilemmas that these technologies raise. While AI has the potential to create cities that are more efficient, sustainable, and livable, it also raises concerns about privacy, autonomy, and the distribution of power. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to erode privacy. As cities become increasingly reliant on data collection and analysis, there is a risk that this data could be used to track and monitor citizens, eroding their freedom and autonomy. Another concern is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing inequalities. As AI-powered systems become more sophisticated, they threaten to displace workers in a wide range of industries, potentially leading to mass unemployment and social unrest. It's crucial that we address these ethical dilemmas head-on, developing clear guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI in urban environments. We need to ensure that these technologies are used in a way that benefits all members of society, not just a select few. Section 10. The future is now, embracing the promise and perils of AI. The rise of AI-powered cities is not a distant future scenario, it's a reality that is unfolding before our very eyes. NEOM, with its ambition and scale, offers a glimpse into this future, showcasing both the immense promise and the potential perils of this technological revolution. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it's crucial that we proceed with both caution and optimism. We need to embrace the potential of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, while also being mindful of the ethical implications and potential risks. The future of our cities, and indeed of humanity itself, may depend on our ability to harness the power of AI in a way that is both beneficial and just. The choices we make today will determine whether AI empowers us to create a better future, or whether it leads us down a path of dystopian control and inequality. The time to act is now. Let us strive to create a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around. If you enjoyed this, like the video and hit subscribe for more content.